Today we're going to be installing these Bosch Icon blades on this car. It should apply the same to any wiper blade in any car. So let's get started. And just one thing to note is that these are going to be two different sizes for your car. One's going to be the driver's side and the other one's going to be passenger side. And just make sure you get two different sizes and not just the same size, because it's not going to fit on your car if you put two big ones on there or two small ones. Just make sure you get the right size. You can just go up to your local auto parts store and they'll give you the right size for your car. Let's get started. To get started, you need the adapters that came with the blades itself. And sometimes this one on here is not going to fit your car. So to get this one off and put the new one on, all you got to do is get a screwdriver and jam it in there. And pry that up and it'll come right off. And you can get your right adapter. So in this case, it's a number 4, and you can set the other ones down. And to do that, match up the arrow on here with this one on here. And then you're gonna put this one on top, and that's gonna click on there. Now let's go over to the car and install this. All right, so you're gonna need a rag just in case the wiper arm falls down. You don't want it cracking the windshield. So to get this off, you just lift up this tab on here and then you just pull it right out, and that comes out. You can set that away. Now you get your new one and carefully line that up, and then you just slide it in. Once that clicks in, you're good and you can put it down. And another thing to note is that these are different sizes. So before you change them, you might want to put it up to the car and make sure you're putting the right size on the right end. If not, it's not gonna come back down. I'll show you guys what it looks like if you have the wrong size put on. So here's a 24-inch blade on the side where it's supposed to have a 19-inch. If you put this on here, it's not gonna go in, or it's gonna go in, but it's not gonna go back down because it's gonna hit on the side of the windshield. Just make sure you line up the right side, otherwise it's not gonna go back down. So let's switch this one back to the 19 and we're done. Alright, now that we got the wipers installed, let's talk about the differences between the old one and the new one and why I chose this one in specific. So the main problem with this one is that it has the water guard. It actually, when it gets down to about 30 to 35 degrees, when water freezes, the water would actually go in here and it would freeze, and then when the wiper arm would come back down, it would fling the water back onto the windshield. It really sucked during winter storms. So that's why I went with this one. And another good thing with this one is that it's a lot more flexible than this one. And this helps with the windshield because you have more contact points on the windshield itself, and it would press down and it would do a cleaner stroke. And this one's also a OE style blade. So this is actually engineered by Volkswagen and Bosch. So here's the Volkswagen one, the one that originally came with the car, and this is the Bosch Icon blades. You can see they're ultimately the same thing, but this one's more high quality. And I think the Volkswagen ones are about $17.99 and this one's about $26.99. So that's why I chose this blade, and I would recommend these blades to you guys, and I feel like they would last a lot longer than the original one and the Michelin's. So let me know what kind of blades you guys use on your cars.